let's learn the addition of two fractions. Your first fraction is 5 upon 6 and the second fraction is 3 upon 4. The uppermost number of the fraction is known as numerator and the lower number of the fraction is called as denominator. So if you want to add two fractions, the denominator should be same. Okay, denominator of both the fractions should be same. So you can see here the fractions 5 upon 6 and 3 upon 4, they have a different denominators. So we have to make the denominator same. Okay, so what to do to get the same denominator of both the fractions? We need to find out LCM of denominators, that is LCM of 6 and 4. So let's see how to get the LCM of numbers 6 and 4. So we'll write here 6, comma, the next number is 4. We'll draw one vertical line. Now you can take one number in such a way that out of those two numbers, at least one of the numbers should be divisible by that number. For example, if I take 2, and you can say 6 is divisible by 2. 2 times 3 is 6 and 2 times 2 is 4. Again we'll take divide 3 and 2. So I can take again 2. So 3 doesn't divide by 2. So we'll take 3 as it is. Now 2 divided by 2 gives us 1. 2 times 1. Now this 3 has to be divided by 3. 3 ones. Okay. Now the division is done. Factorization is done. Now we need to multiply this all three numbers. So 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 3 is 12. So what is the LCM of numbers 6 and 4? That is 12. So now we are going to make their denominator 12. So my first fraction is 5 upon 6. And I want to make the 6 as 12. So which number we will take to make 6? By which number we'll multiply 6 to get it 12? By 2. So we'll multiply numerator as well as denominator by 2. Alright. Now second fraction is 3 upon 4. The denominator is now here 4. We want 12. So we need to multiply 4 by 3. So here 3 times 3 and here 4 times 3. Now both the fractions will have the same denominator. 5 into 2 is 10 and 6 times 2 is 12. 3 times 3 is 9 and 4 times 3 is 12. Now you can see that both the fractions have a same denominator. Now it's easy to add such kind of fractions. What to do to add these fractions now? We will add their numerator, that is 10 and 9. Okay, we'll add their numerator. We'll keep the same denominator, that is 12. Now 10 plus 9 is 19 and 19 upon 12. So sum of these two fractions is 19 upon 12. So in this way we can add any two fractions having different denominator.